B. Ganun pa rin. Actually, ginawa na natin siya last time, di ba? So, ang ginawa natin last time, itinuro ko sa inyo, di ba? 1, 2, step forward, tapos yung kamay, mapupunta sa rib cage, tapos yung 3, that is the punch. Okay? Tapos yung backward movement naman natin, from Jun B, 1, feet together, yung kamay, naka-prepare for guard, step backward, kukunin yung balance, yung kamay nasa rib cage, and then 3 is the block. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin ulit? 2 counts muna tayo. 2 counts para maganda. So, Jun B. So, 1, feet together. Yung 2 natin, step forward. Laging mag-start sa right foot. Forward, right arm forward. Step forward and then punch. Walang tunog yung paa. Okay? Next, we are going to face the left side. Tapos, feet together muna tayo. 1. Ayan. Pero yung katawan mo, half facing, hindi siya nakaharap. Kasi each time, or most of the time, lahat ng blocks, no, half facing yung katawan. Kaya siya sinabing half facing, para maiwasan mo yung direct of attack. Kasi kung yung katawan mo, nakaharap ka ng ganito, tapos magbablock ka ng paganyan, tatamaan yung katawan mo. So, kailangan yung katawan mo half facing and then block. Imaginein mo, itong kamay mo parang baseball bat. Tapos, pag sumipa sa harapan, you can use your low forearm block. Ito, forearm, and then crush it. Bang! Okay? So again, face here, this is 1. Then going 2, step backward, yung right foot, and then low block. Okay, next. Going 1 ulit tayo. First movement, moving forward. Second movement, moving backward. Okay? So move forward tayo, feet together, yung kamay, lagi nakaharap ng ganito. Para saan to? Anong tawag dito? Leading hand. Diba? Anong sabi ko lagi? Kahit sa sparring, diba? Kaganito tayo, hindi tayo nakaganyan. Bakit? Tandaan, the hand is 10 times faster than the foot. Pero yung paa, 10 times stronger than the hand. So, mas malapit na yung kalaban mo, wag mo nang sumpain, suntuin mo nang sa mukha. Kung medyo malayo, you have enough distance, sipahin mo sa katawan. Sipahin mo sa ulo. Okay? From here, 1, then moving forward, step forward, and then punch to the body. Good.